Hey guys, this is Geek Out Everything, and today in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and a quick little review of these both gaming headphones which came like a couple of days ago, and they have Dolby Atmos. These are like normal ergonomic gaming headphones. They have like a little bit of gamey feel, like they have RGB lighting and all that stuff. So yeah, we'll check out how they are. And so yeah, this is the box itself. It's pretty like normal box, nothing much. So let me just quickly unbox it and we'll see what is hidden under the hood. So we have lots of paperwork and some stickers as well, and yeah, and the headphones itself, and we also have a mic. We have this like card and stuff, and this is the mic itself. It's a detachable mic, so if you want to attach it, you can attach it. These are the headphones itself. They are in white color, but they also come in black as well, so it just comes down to your personal preference, like which color you like. And they also have that RGB lighting on both the sides. And talking about the flexibility, they are actually pretty flexible, but I'm using these earphones for a couple of days and they are like a little bit tight, but as you wear them they'll get loose and then they'll be perfectly fine, so you don't have to worry about that much. And talking about the cable quality is actually really good. Like it is braided cable and it's like fairly thick, so you don't have to worry about that. Cable quality is pretty nice. And we also have this USB connector, which is not gold plated or anything, but yeah, that is what it is. And this is the microphone module, where we have a light button and mute button, and yeah, mic, and I think a headphone mute button also. So yeah, we have 3 buttons and volume rockers at the side. So let me just quickly connect these ones, and as you can see, this is how the RGB lighting looks. It's a breathing LED, so it will just keep changing the color. It doesn't have like 16 million colors or anything, but it just keeps changing the color. So yeah, that's about it. And this is the microphone port, where you can attach the mic if you want, as you can see. So you can just attach your mic like that, and the mic quality is actually really good. So this is the mic quality. Hey, this audio is being recorded via the mic of Boat Immortal IM1000D. And in my opinion, I think this mic sound really good, like far better than my expectations. So yeah, that's thumbs up. Talking about the sound quality of these earphones, they sound actually really good. Talking about the bass, they have fairly good bass, not that much. And talking about the high tones are also pretty fine. So sound is actually kind of balanced. So yeah, that's about it. So if you just simply like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.